Alright, so in this video, I will share with you 5 genuine ways to make money using AI language translators. First of all, I urge you to watch this video until the end because these 5 methods are 100% workable on mobile phones or laptops. If you genuinely put in some time and effort, you can actually earn $10, $12, $25, or even $50 every 15 minutes just by using DocTrans GPT AI Translate. This method is completely free and works worldwide. The best part is that the second website we'll be using pays on a daily basis. Yes, you can literally make money today and withdraw it by tomorrow. The minimum payment threshold is just $1. So now, let's get started. First of all, you need to understand how this business works and why people will pay you. Let's suppose there is a person from Russia who wants to write and publish a book in multiple languages. This Russian person can only write the book in Russian and hires you to translate the book into multiple languages. They might pay you a commission per book sale or an advance fee. Now, you might be wondering how to find people who need their books translated. First, go to Google and search for ProZ and click on the first website. Here you can see the option to hire a professional translator or translation company. People come to this website to hire translators like you, and they pay a good amount of money for translation services. To find work, click on Find Work. Once you click on Find Work, you will see that 1133 remote jobs are available here. This is a genuine website with a traffic volume of 3.1 million, mostly from Spain. Carefully look for job listings that fit your criteria. If you scroll down, you'll see various job listings such as Indonesian to English long-term translation. Next, you'll find Kazakh to English translator needed, and then Italian, English, Hungarian translators. There's also a listing for a big translation project, over 200K words. If you hover your mouse over these job listings, you'll see information like the job poster is a Proz.com professional member. Additionally, if you hover over the job poster's icon for the top listing, you'll see that this job poster is an agency. This means that there are both individual clients and agencies posting translation jobs, offering a diverse range of opportunities. Avoid agency jobs in the beginning and choose single-member jobs. Let's suppose you are interested in this single-member translation job. You might be thinking, how do I contact the client? What is the payment? How do they send the payment in my country? Don't worry, I'll explain everything. First, click on the job title to see all the details. The most important section here is Languages, which indicates the languages the client wants. You need to carefully read all the terms and requirements before contacting the client. Once you have confirmed everything, go back to the previous page. Here, you will see the job posted date and the expiry date. If you click on the email option, you will be able to contact the client for this job. Let's suppose the client agrees to hire you for a translation job of 200K words from German to Catalan. Now, you might wonder how to efficiently translate such a large volume of text. I'll guide you on how to do that in just a few minutes using a professional AI translation tool. First, search for doctransgpt.com. When you open the site, you'll see an arrow icon that lets you choose from multiple languages. For instance, I searched for Catalan, and you can see that this AI tool supports this language. Let's do a practical example. Imagine a client sends you a document file and requests the translation of certain languages. For instance, a client paid me $1,200 for translation and voiceover from English to German and Spanish. I downloaded the document to my PC, went to DocTrans GPT, and clicked to upload the client's document. I selected the target language as German, then clicked on Select Domain and chose Entertainment, since the client's document is a TV show script. Next, I selected the tone as friendly and the writing style as narrative. After setting all the parameters, I clicked to start the translation. If you upgrade your plan to the starter plan for $6 per month, you'll get even better results. Once the translation was complete, I used the Vocalize option on the same site, which is an official text-to-speech tool. I copied my translated text, pasted it into the text-to-speech tool, and chose an amazing voice character, Brian, because he speaks excellently. I clicked Generate, and the sound was fantastic.
In der geschäftigen Stadt Konica, wo Wolkenkratzer den Himmel durchbohrten und die Straßen vor
Finally, I sent the translated file to my client and attached my PayPal account for the payment process. As you can see, I received the payment through PayPal, and the client was happy with my work. So, use this AI DocTrans GPT tool along with the text-to-speech OpenAI tool linked in the description to earn money. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel